This is the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look here at Tesla. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. Here we have Tesla. This is a daily chart. Now, Tesla made a really good move. Elon, he hired a CEO to run Twitter. That means he can spend more time developing Tesla here because he's getting a little bit over his skis. So he's got to reel them back a little bit and focus on Tesla and make this EV, just a supercar. Okay, so let's take a look at the charts. So on this daily chart, if we look at this, everything is still intact. You still have your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder. That's a really nice inverse head and shoulders pattern. So what we want to do is we want to watch these key price channels, 189, 69 on top, and 152.37 on the bottom. Okay, let's see what it did today. See, this is why we trade the charts. Okay, so you look at today, okay, today's candle, the high got to 177.38. If you watch my other videos here on Tesla, you notice I've been pointing out this gap right here, which it went into the gap, and then this fill, okay? So this fill right here is 177.65. That's your resistance level. Now today it could not get through. Fell a little bit short, okay? So now we have to look at still filling that gap. So if it can get above, then what we want to do is we want to look to this 50 SMA here. This is sitting at 179.36, okay? And then you have your big retest up here at 189.69. Now here on the downside, okay, so now what we have is you want to watch all these key levels, okay? Here's your 21 SMA right here. This is sitting at 168.09, and then you want to look at this 100-day sitting at 169.82. And then we want to look here at this 8 SMA here sitting at, what is it we sitting at 167.66. So that was going to be your support levels, okay? And then what we do, then we start looking to the bottom of these candles here, and then we look for your retest here. But this is really good news here now that Elon can just focus here on the Tesla. So let's take a look here at the weekly and a monthly chart. All right, here we have your weekly, and here we have your monthly chart. Now, when you look at this key upside level here is going to be right here. This is sitting at 179.96. That's your 200 SMA, okay? Then above that is you got 179.41. The 8-day is coming down just a little bit, but you're really basically in sync. That can go either way, okay? On your support level, you're looking at 170.09, okay? That's your 21 SMA. If that falls, then you want to look to this candle here. This is at 158.83, and then we look at the retest on that candle right there, which is 152.37. Now, on your monthly, you want to look at this key 50 SMA, 173.50. Now, it went above that today, but it hasn't closed above that. The key is the closing above that, okay? Then if you can rally, then we look to this 8 SMA here at 183, okay? So basically what we have here is, it jumped up today. It did not fill this key gap right here, but your pattern looks really nice, that beautiful left shoulder, the head, and then your right shoulder. So this looks really nice if the market can rally. Okay, right now everything is based on this, the debt ceiling and all this. But if this market can rally, this is a stock here that should go really good, really fast onto the upside. And you have big resistant levels here, that big targets here. So you got a 205.97 up here. You got a 210.74 here. So you got really good areas of targets here on the upside. So watch all these key levels here on the downside. But anytime where you can close above, like this 50 SMA here and this 200 SMA, that's going to be a nice, good long to go much higher. All right, thanks for watching.